Usapang legit tayo, guys. For today's video, pag-uusapan natin tong si Salmon na magkakaroon ng actual na parang credit card. I really hope na tama yung pagkaintindi ko sa text na natanggap ko kay Salmon, ha? Yes, it's the same Salmon na kailan lang ay nag-approve sa akin ng 3,000 pesos na pwedeng nako-convert sa cash. Legit to. As in legit. So, kung gusto malaman how you can have this opportunity, then keep watching. Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. It's Ate Red here, and dito sa channel ko, pinag-uusapan natin yung iba't ibang mga online loan platforms. For today's video, yung legit na Salmon Credit yung ating pag-uusapan. And if I understood correctly yung text na pinadala sa akin, then magkakaroon ng credit card si Salmon. So why not, diba? Kasi kamakailan lang din na announce na Salmon has been licensed as a bank when it acquired a controlling percentage doon sa isang bangko. So, in plain and simple terms, bangko na rin si Salmon or may license to operate as a bank. And that is why itong si Salmon, may mga iba't ibang mga credit products nang ino-offer. At isa na doon si Salmon Credit na yun yung na-approve sa akin 2 months ago. Kaya very, very convenient siya, guys, kasi kahit na nasa 9% yung kanyang monthly interest, revolving naman siya, legit, yung pagko-convert or pagka-cash advance nito is na may 100 pesos lang na fee. So, mamaya na natin pag-usapan yan, guys, ha. By the way, this video is not sponsored by Salmon. Share ko lang sa inyo kasi parang good news to. Sharing is caring, kaya ito na nga, guys. Mga last week lang, nakatanggap ako ng text dito kay Salmon. Yung sabi,
they are launching Salmon Card in 2024. Your feedback can shape its future.
Waitlist pa lang siya, guys. Help us understand your needs by answering the survey. So, legit siya, guys. Nung kinlik ko yung link, napunta ako dito. Ayan. So, magla-launch nga sila ng Salmon Card. Nag-i-invite sila to join our waitlist. O, tulad ni Zed, tsaka ni Maya Credit Card. Ito, waitlist na naman. Waitlist again. Anyway, so we're inviting you to join our waitlist for Salmon Card to be launched in early 2024. The goal is to give you more ways to spend your credit line for your needs, wants, and dreams. Yung pagkaintindi ko nito is, parang ano siya, bali pa swipe na rin yung credit limit mo dito kay Salmon. O, di ba bongga? Convenient.
Salmon Card is free of charge and we will deliver it to your preferred address at no cost. To join the waitlist, just answer this short survey. This will also give us valuable feedback from you on how to make this new product better.
So, pa-survey pa lang pala yung na-receive kong text. Pero, ay mo, diba? You miss the shots you don't take. Ako, alert din akong nag-reply. So, yun. Question number 1. Would you like to get a Salmon physical card? Of course, yes. And how do you plan to use your Salmon physical card? Where Visa or MasterCard is accepted, QR codes can be very inconvenient. O, diba, totoo naman yung mga QR, napaka-inconvenient. Mag-generate ka pa, or mag-scan, ilalabas mo pa yung cell. Mas madali naman talaga kung yung card mo, ibibigay mo na lang sa cashier. Would you also like to get a Salmon virtual card? So, syempre, yes. How do you plan to use your Salmon virtual card? Syempre, online purchases. Depende, or why not sa physical store, diba? Kung pwede mo lang naman siya pang swipe. Which region would you like to receive your Salmon Card? Buti na lang kasama si Western Visayas. Sana naman hindi kami exempted. And then send your response. Kaya yun, meron ng thank you from Salmon. So, doon talaga siya ginawa sa website mismo ni Salmon. Waitlist pa lang siya. Nakatanggap din ako ng email na enjoying your experience with Salmon Credit. So far, yung ganun, we're inviting you to join our waitlist. Same lang, kasi pag tinlik mo yung link na to, same rin. Doon mapupunta ka pa rin sa survey sa website ni Salmon kung saan, yun nga, waitlist pa lang siya. Kasi launching pa lang siya. So guys, kung hindi kayo nakatanggap ng text kay Salmon or ng email kay Salmon, malamang because wala pa kayong Salmon credit or hindi pa kayo approved. But don't worry, kasi sa mga nag-apply before at hindi approved, meron ka naman chance na mag-apply ulit 3 months after, or why not approach a Salmon representative? Start with a buy now, pay later, diba? What I like about Salmon kasi napaka-legit po siya. Hindi siya tulad ng mga although medyo mataas yung interest niya at 9% per month, but okay na rin siya. I really hope babaan nila to be honest. Pero okay na rin yung 9% per month kasi every time nagka-cash advance ka, at least yung fee is 100 pesos lang or 99 pesos to be exact kung magka-cash advance ka. And totoong tanggap mo agad sa GCash mo pag nag-cash advance ka sa Salmon Credit na to, ha? Hindi tulad sa sinasabi nilang joke lang ng mga kalokang mga online loan platforms. So si Salmon is legit and I really hope babaan lang nila yung kanilang interest kasi kasi medyo mataas. Pero hindi na ako magrereklamo guys. Sa dami ng mga online loan platforms na na-encounter ko at sinishare ko sa inyo, okay na to. The 9% interest is not that bad. Basta responsible user ka lang. Itong si Salmon Credit, meron po kasi siyang iba't ibang mga loan products na ino-offer. Yung Salmon Financing, yun yung naunan yung buy now, pay later. Di ba makikita nyo dun sa mga stores, yung mga may IDs na yung lanyard nila Salmon. So, para silang home credit. Kaya yon. And then later on, ito, nagkaroon na siya ng Salmon Credit kung saan i-download mo na lang yung app, a-applyan mo, and in 2 minutes, malalaman mo kung approve ka o hindi. Salmon Credit, yun yung na-approve sa akin just 2 months ago.
It's either you use the cash advance feature or isa-scan mo yung QR with your Salmon Credit
as a payment method. Pero para sa akin, napaka-inconvenient kasi ng mga QR na yan. Kaya mas prefer ko pa rin yung either ika-cash mo siya, tulad sa paggamit ko kay Belize, or kung meron nga siyang physical card din, di ba, mas maganda. Next, ayun, Salmon Cash Loan. Yun po yung isa niya, which I have no idea yet kasi hindi pa naman ako na-offera ng ganito. So, Salmon Credit pa lang yung very familiar ko. So, nung nagkaroon ako ng Salmon Credit, dinownload ko lang yung app niya sa Google Play Store. And yun you can get a credit limit of up to 15,000 pesos ata. Pero yung binigay sa akin nung na-approve ako is 3,000 pesos, which isn't bad kasi I know naman eventually tataas yan if you are a responsible user ng isang financing app such as this. If you want to see the actual step-by-step process, you can head over to my previous vlog kasi doon dinetail ko yung paano pag-apply. Just to give you an overview, itong si Salmon, okay siya kasi yung permissions na hihingin niya sa phone nyo is very, very minimal. So, para na rin siya kung familiar ka kay G-Credit, kay Via Credit, and yung kay Revi Credit, parang gano'n na rin si Salmon Credit. And yung pinaka-paborito kong feature dito is yung cash advance niya. So, kukunin niya yung personal information mo syempre sa pag-apply, contact information, and yung income mo, bale. And yung sabi ko doon sa kay Salmon, self-employed po ako. So, doon sa pag-apply, magsi-selfie ka rin, pipicturean mo rin yung ID mo, of course. And yung mga IDs pala na tinatanggap ni Salmon are the following. So, driver's license, passport, postal ID, Unified Multi-Purpose ID or UMID, Social Security System na ID or PhilSys. Malalaman mo kaagad kung approve ka kay Salmon in just 2 minutes. Para naman dun sa mga nagre-reklamo na hindi nakatanggap ng OTP kay Salmon, check nyo yung spam folder ng text nyo kasi baka napunta doon. So, okay na rin siya. Just plan your transactions ahead because yun nga, 9% po yung kanyang monthly interest. Pero, nasa inyo yan guys ha. Hindi naman kasi ini-encourage yung pag-uutang sa channel ko. Dito naman is ini-encourage na dapat iniintindi natin yung isang loan product. Especially yung those na na-avail natin online. Kasi these products can actually make or break our financial plans in the future. So, I hope guys, meron kayo natutunan sa video na to. Again, always remember na meron po tayong reward kung palagi tayong responsible sa ating mga pag-uutang activities. You can go to my previous live sessions para may matutunan din kayo about that. So, kung hindi pa kayo subscribe sa akin channel, be sure you're subscribed and hit that bell notification button para hindi kayo mahuli sa aking mga sinishare dito sa YouTube channel. So, thank you so much for watching today's vlog. I'll see you on my next one. Bye-bye!